This is a screen when you open the Rapidminer Studio. I'm going to show you the fast way first. First, I'm going to import data for the data preparation. Click the Turbo Prep and click Load Data and Import Data and select the file. Next, we can see no problem signs here, so we can click Next, Next, and Finish. And you can see the red color here and here. That means we have missing values. For the fast data preparation, I'm going to use auto cleansing. So click the cleanse, auto cleansing, and we have a target column which is satisfied. And next, 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 and commit. And we have data here. One thing we need to be careful is the column type here. It is number now. If we remain this as number, then Rapidminer would choose the linear regression. So I have to change this to category. So change the type, change it to category. And now we have a category here. Data preparation is done now. Click model, then choose the model type here. I want to predict and satisfied. Where is satisfied? Yeah, that is our target. Next, next, and next. And we can have many models here, but to reduce the time, I would choose logistic regression and decision tree only. And it's running now. Okay, we have result for logistic regression, and this is a model summary. So we have a p-value here. This is a little bit higher. Yeah, the p-value of the trip type are greater than 0.05, so we can remove them for the next run. And let's see performance. We can see accuracy, precision, recur F measure. So it's quite good, 82%. And let's check the decision tree. Here, model. Yes, we can see the big decision tree here. You can see the performance here is quite higher than the logistic regression. Yeah, this is it. So in the fast way, we can only run models as pre-configured, but we need more. So I'm going to create a process to meet our assignment requirement. So that I'm going to delete the data. And we need import data, load data. Yes, we have here. And for these red color ones, I want to impute data. So select, and click the cleanse and replace the missing. And we want input the average value here, so apply. Okay. And I want to create a dummy variable too. That was one of the requirements. So now we have this one, and membership. And we don't have anymore. So click the dummy encoding. And now we have numbers here. And I create some binned data before, so I do the same thing this time too. Select delayed arrival and delayed departure, and click this one, this creation, and I want to 3 bins. Okay, and create dummy encoding too. Okay, I think think everything is done. We have one more. We have changed the data type. Where is it? Satisfied is number. So commit client first. And then satisfied number. So we need transform, change type, category, applied. Information. And in the assignment, we identified the significant features by the chi-square test, but I couldn't find it here. But found weight by chi-square score, so I'm going to apply it later. For now, I'll get rid of some variables to simplify the model. The features that we can improve, like age, gender. Where is gender? Gender and seed types. And trip type. So we can get rid of the remove here. Okay, commit. So I have data set. I think this is for the data preparation. We can do one more thing. Here. Remember, we need a graph for the significant features. We can do it by pivot here. Select satisfied to group by, and we want average score of each item. So like boarding experience, booking experience, cleanliness, staff friendliness, quality of food. Okay, let's do the 5 of them. And yeah, there is a table for that, but we need a graph. So click here. We have a beautiful graph for you here. So satisfied one is a little bit higher than not satisfied ones. So we can have this graph here, but I don't want this right now, so cancel. Okay, I can export the data to repository for reuse. We can go to design. Let's create a process. So first, drag the data here, and if we connect here to result and run, we can see the data is all there, but we don't need this right now. We want crossword for logistic regression, so I drag a crossword. Okay, relation here, like this, and let's like this. We have this mark here, so we don't have label, so will that help me solve the problem? So label is satisfied for this case. This one, and still have this one. So what was that? Yeah, we don't have a model, so we need to set the model here. So on the left it's training, on the right it's testing. So on the training part we need a logistic regression here. So the data from our data set goes here, and model goes here, and but with that this one need to go there. And on the testing part we need apply model. That means we will use the same model for testing. Model goes there, test data set go to unique, and we need one more thing here, performance. So for the classification and label to label, and the performance go to performance. This part is for the result, and we need example for the test. we can see the predict here. And performance part, already checked the accuracy, and I want to see the recall, precision, and rhythmic skew error. Yeah, I think that's it. I can't find the F1 score here, so just let's skip and go back to process. And we have a model summarize, and I want to test for the prediction and performance. Oh, we have one more thing, the chi-square. So we have a weight by chi-square. So like this, I think everything's fine. We don't have any exclamation mark here. So let's run. Okay, we have a result here, performance. This is the confusion matrix, and we have accuracy 78% and recall similar, and we have miscure error here. And for this one, we have predictions, and we can see the summary of model. So we have p-value here. So we have a little bit higher p-value here. We can't get rid of it later. And yeah, this is just a data set. Maybe we can get rid of these variables for better result. Let's try it. Turbo, no, just set attributes here, and subset. So we go everything here, and we don't want these values here. So apply, and let's run again. Okay, the result is the same, but at least I want to try. Okay, this is end of the video.